Hi guys, in last video we have discussed VLOOKUP function. Today we will cover match function and its functionality. Basically the purpose of match function is to find out the placement or location of the value we are looking for. We use match function is like we place here is equal to match the value we are looking for. We are looking for the value that exists in C7 cell, comma, lookup array. Lookup array is the column or it could be row, whatever in which direction we want to move. Say we want to see the value in column A, we'll select entire column A and we will select 0 for exact match and bracket close and enter. This will give us the value. So it tells us the placement of the value that the name of the country we have selected is Pakistan exists in our database at row number and 6. We can verify it from our database. So we see here that this country name exists at row number and 6. Similarly, if we drag it down the bottom entire selection, you can see that the second country, that is India, exists in our database at row number 3. We can verify this is here at row number 3. Similarly, we want to see where the Greece is in our database. It is at row number N91. So we can find here row number N91 and we see here Greece exists there. The purpose of the function match function is to find out the location of the value we are looking for. The match function work as a helper function, like we use it in index function. We may use it with VLOOKUP function. We may use it with choose function or many other places we can use. However, it usually works as a helper to make our main formula dynamic. So hopefully you have enjoyed. Keep watching my channel for next videos. Thank you.